Hi everyone. In this video I am going to explain about meristematic tissue part 3. Number 1, apical cell theory. This theory proposed by Carl Nageli and Hofmeister and supported by Wolff. According to Nageli and Hofmeister, the apical meristem is composed of a single apical cell. This theory is only applicable on bryophytes and some pteridophytes and some higher algae like Fucus, Dictyota and Sargassum. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of apical cell theory, how apical cell forming primary tissues. Check this diagram carefully. Number 2, histogen theory. It was proposed by Hanstein in 1870. According to him, the root and shoot apices are distinguished or differentiated into three meristematic regions or three meristematic layers of histogen cells. These are as follows, like dermatogen, peribulum and plerome. Dermatogen. This is the outermost single layer of cells. These cells form single layered epidermis by anticlinical divisions. Peribulum. This region is situated just below the dermatogen. It forms all cortex regions like hypodermis, general cortex and endodermis. Plerome. This is the innermost region. Steel formation takes place by the division of these plerome cells. It means formation of pericycle, vascular bundles, pith rays or medullary rays, and pith and medulla. This theory is only true for root apex. It is not applicable for shoot apex of higher plants because in most of the gymnosperms and angiosperms, shoot apex does not have distinct differentiation of three layers. Except above described three histogens, the fourth type of histogen is also present in monocotyledonous root apex. This is known as calyptrogen. Root cap is produced by calyptrogen in monocots. Root cap is produced by dermatogen in dicotyledonous plants. Exception. There is only one histogen present in Ranunculus. Two histogens occurs in Casuarina. Due to presence of root cap position of root apex is subterminal. So maximum growth in root takes place behind the root apex. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of histogen theory and organization of root apex. For better understanding, check this diagram carefully. Root cap, calyptrogen, plerome, peribulum, dermatogen and all. Note. In hydrophytes, root cap is absent. Instead of root cap, they contain root pockets. Generally, root cap is a single layer, but in Pandnus, screwpine, root cap is multi-layered. Root cap contains large number of Golgi body which secrete mucilage and which makes the root is slimy. Tunica carpus theory. This theory was proposed by Schmidt. This theory is applicable on shoot apex. According to this theory, two types of layers are found in shoot apex. Tunica. This is the peripheral layer. Epidermis is formed by this layer. In tunica cells, anticlinical divisions takes place only in one plane. Anticlinical division occurs at right angle to longitudinal axis, which means tangential plane of cell. Generally, tunica is single layer, but sometimes it is multi-layered. Then the outermost layer forms the epidermis, and the remaining layers forms remaining types of tissue systems which are associated with corpus. Corpus, the mass of cells present below the tunica, is called corpus. The cells of this zone divide in all directions, which means in many planes, due to which volume increases, it forms rest of the tissue system. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of tunica corpus theory. How tunica is there, how corpus is there. Check this diagram carefully. Newman's theory. According to this theory, meristematic tissue of shoot apex are three types: simplex, monoplex, and duplex. Simplex. Such type of shoot apex is formed by single layer of meristematic cells. It is found in gymnosperms except knee-tails. Monoplex. Such type of shoot apex in which meristematic cells are arranged in group in place of meristematic layers. Such type of shoot apex is found in ferns. They do not form any special structure. Duplex. Such type of shoot apex is formed by two layers of meristematic cells. Peripheral layer is called tunica and inner layer is called corpus. Such type of shoot apex is found in knee-tails and angiospermic plants. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of monoplex, simplex, and duplex. Carper-Kappe theory. It was proposed by Skew in the year 1917. According to this theory, the cells of central and peripheral part of the root apex exhibits differences in planes of divisions. In peripheral region, each cell first divides transversely and thereafter the lower daughter cells divides longitudinally, thus forming the shape of T. Such divisions are called Kappe divisions. In the central region, T is inverted as the second division takes place in the upper daughter cell. Such divisions are called the Carper divisions. Carper form the body of organism while Kappe form the covering or cap. Up to here, meristematic tissues was completed. In next video, we can discuss about permanent tissues. Thank you very much.